Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will see about three sounds of the digraph E and A. It makes three sounds. In some place it makes a long vowel sound, in some place a short vowel sound, and other place it is a long vowel A. In the previous, if you want to know more about long vowel and short vowel, already I have uploaded videos on that. You can go and have a look on that. So long vowel E, it takes sound of the letter E itself. So E, the sound is E. The short vowel E takes the sound E. E. The line above indicates that it is a long vowel and the curve indicates that it is a short vowel. And some places it also takes the sound of a long vowel A. So A, and the line at the top indicates that it is a long vowel. So these are the three sounds of the digraph EA. In some place it takes a long vowel sound E, short vowel sound A, and long vowel sound A. Let us take an example for easier to understand. This is the sentence in which all the three sounds are used. Let's eat bread and steak. Eat. Here it takes the short vowel sound of E. Eat. There is no certain rules where to use a long vowel E or short vowel E. It is by practice the child will know where to use a sound. Here bread, br, ed. Here it is a long vowel E is used. Br, ed, bread. And steak, steak. This takes a long vowel A and k. Steak. Steak is a beef. So this sentence makes us to remember that three sounds of the digraph or vowel T, E, A. Let's see few examples on this. Using these sentences to remember the three sounds of the digraph EA. Let us see the example of long E with some example. E, f, if. The green letters which I have used is to mention that both makes the same sound, that is said to be the digraph. If you want to learn more about the digraph, you can see to some of the videos which I have already uploaded. P, E, K, peak. P, E, S, peace. P, E, N, A, T, peanut. These are some examples for long E sound. Let's see the short E sound. E, e. B, r, e, d, bread. H, e, d, head. D, e, f, deaf. B, r, br, e, f, breath. So these two are said to be the consonant digraph, and this also said to be the consonant digraph. B, br, e, f, breath. So some examples on long A sound. B, r, e, k, break. G, r, e, t, great. St, e, k, stick. So here B, r, g, r, and st. These are said to be the consonant blends, and EA takes the long A sound A. So these are some of the three sounds of EA digraph sounds. Thanks for watching.